Hello everyone, today I shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 6. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? If the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. Let us solve the problem. Here you see that solution 60% people 60% people 60% people like cricket 30% people 30% people like football like football like football. Therefore the remaining like other games. Therefore people who like other games is equal to 100 minus 60 plus 30 percent, that is equal to 100. 60 plus 30 is 90. 100 minus 90%, that is equal to 10%. 10%. Now the question, total number of people is equal to total number of people is equal to 50 lakh. Right? Therefore people like cricket, people like cricket is equal to 60% of 50 lakh. 60% of 50 lakh. 50 lakh. That is equal to 60 by 100. 100 into 50. Right? Therefore this 0 will cut, and this 0 will cut. Therefore we are getting 5 6 is 30. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. That is 30 lakh likes cricket. Now people like football equal to 30% is equal to 30% of 50 lakh. 30% of 50 lakh, that is equal to 30 by 100. 30 by 100 into 5, 0. Therefore, this 0 will cut and this 0. 3 5 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 15 lakh. And 10% like other games. People. Therefore, people like other games. People like other games. Other games is equal to 10% of 50 lakhs. 10% of 50 lakhs. That is equal to 10 by 100. 10 by 100 into 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, this 0 and this 0 will cut and this 0 will cut. Therefore, it is equal to 5. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Therefore, people like cricket is 30 lakh. People like football 15 lakh. And people who like other games is equal to 5 lakh. And that is the answer. Again, we are repeating. 60% people like cricket, 30% people like football. Therefore, people who like other games equal to 100 minus 60 plus 30. That is 100 minus 90 is 10%. Total number of people 50 lakh. The people who like cricket equal to 60% of 50 lakh. That is 30 lakh. And people who like football 30% of 50 lakh. That is 15 lakh. Right? And people who like other games is equal to 10% of 50 lakh. That is 5 lakh. That means 30 plus 15, 40, 45 plus 5, 50 lakh. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.